Hello and welcome to another video for Auto Solutions Checkpoint, and today we're going to be doing a Vanos solenoid on a 2009 Mini 1. We're going to be doing the front one and the back one because I believe it's false economy, just replacing one at a time. Just do them both. Keep watching. Anything you're unsure of, just drop me a wee message and I'll try my best to help you. What you want to do with your pick is undo the plug and slide it off. What's holding this Vanos solenoid in is a 10mm. Occasionally these are held in with a T30 Torx. On this occasion it's a 10mm bolt. Just give it a gentle persuasion, not too much. Trim it from side to side. The last thing you want to do is break the shaft off inside. It isn't common, but it has been known to happen. So there we go. That's the old one. Stage 1 complete. That's as easy as it is. Okay, so the intake pipe will still need to come off. Okay, so flathead screwdriver at the back and undo the googly clip. Holds the intake pipe on. That's nice and easy. So at the back of the engine, beside the inlet manifold, you've got your Vanos solenoid here, and just above it is your 10mm. So undo your 10mm, undo the plug with your pick and undo the 10mm and gently release it like what you've done at the front of the engine. In my own personal opinion, I feel it's false economy just to replace one. It's better just replacing both of them at the same time, just for that peace of mind. The thing is, with doing the back one, it's actually better access. See how low you need to take the airbox off? That's a bit of a pain, but obviously you don't have your landing panel in the way. Okay, as you can see, the engine management light is illuminated. What we're going to do is plug the top gun in and give it a read, then delete it and see if anything comes back. Open the door. OBD2 port is just right above where your accelerator is, just above there. so we'll give it a little start again. Automatic choke. Right, I'm going to turn it off and give it another read again. Right, okay, so far so good, nothing has came back. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the short video on how to fit a Vanos on a 2009 Mini 1. If you've got any use from this here video, please like and subscribe to the video, and also press the wee bell for notifications for videos in the future, because you never know, one day you might need me, you might actually need to watch one of my videos. But you guys take care, and I'll catch you in the next video. It's hard to believe the sun is splitting the trees today, but you guys take care, I'll catch you in the next video. 10-10 over and out.